Hey guys, it's Emily here down at Redwater Dodge, home of the $10 oil change, rig ready Rams, and now we buy you a Ram. This is a 2021 Jeep Grand Cherokee Limited X, so let's go take a look. Up at the front of this one, you're gonna have color match bumpers. They are the red velvet pearl. You have your built-in park sensors all along the bottom here. LED headlights and fog lights. Your LED headlights are smoked out. You're gonna have your classic 7-slot Jeep grille, your blacked out Jeep badging, and then lifting up the hood, you're gonna have your 3.6 liter Pentastar engine. Up in the front of this one, you're going to have your black leather seats. They are heated. You're also gonna have a heated leather wrapped steering wheel. Lots of storage in your center console. The top of your center console is lined as well. Lots of detailing throughout this Jeep. So you're gonna have this wood effect right here, and then another lined glove box. This one is equipped with the 8.4-inch touchscreen. It does come with your navigation. You have the option to hook up your phone for your Bluetooth. It also does come with travel links, so you can see fuel prices, local movie listings, scores of your favorite sports teams, check out the weather, and then favorite any of those options. And then this is where you can see your heated seats and your heated steering wheel control, and you also do have access to your backup camera. This one does have dual climate control, and you can control that right here on the screen or down here with your buttons. And then of course all of your media. When your phone is hooked up for Bluetooth, it will also show your phone's media as well. If you don't want your screen on, especially at night, it can be kind of bright in your face, you can just turn it off. Then coming down a little bit lower here, you can turn on and off those park sensors if they're kind of bugging you. This one does have your lane keep assist as well, eco mode and sport mode, and then of course you can turn on and off your traction control. It does come equipped with your select terrain control as well. So you have snow, sand, auto, mud, as well as rock mode. And then you're gonna have 4-wheel drive as well. And this one does have hill descent control. On the actual steering wheel itself, you're going to have all of your hands-free controls and your cruise control buttons right on the steering wheel. You have the paddle shifters as well. And this one does have your adaptive cruise control, and all of those buttons are right here. The back side of the steering wheel also has some buttons for changing the radio station and turning up and down the volume of your music. You do have power memory seats on this one, so it's going to remember who was driving last. You'll just hit the 1 or the 2 and it's automatically going to adjust your seat. You do have an auto dimming rear view mirror. Lots of additional storage up here. You have the universal garage door opener, so each of these buttons can be programmed to a different garage door, and that's going to free up some space up here. You're not having to carry around a whole bunch of remotes. This one does have the full panoramic sunroof, which is really nice for your passengers. Then you're also going to have this button here, and that's going to pop open your tailgate for you. But now we're going to go finish up in the back. In the back of this one, your seats do fold down all the way flat, and that is going to give you a ton of space back here. Really good for the cross bags or hockey bags, any groceries or any pets. And then they flip up super easy again. There is a ton of space back here for your passengers, lots of leg room. They're gonna have a middle armrest. It has 2 cup holders in it, which is super handy. And then coming down here onto your center console, you're gonna have a 115-volt plug-in and 2 USBs. So on long road trips, your passengers are completely covered and they can plug in all of their devices. And then they do have the option to control their airflow as well. You have 2 of your mesh bags attached to the back of your driver and passenger seat for some additional storage, and then some additional storage areas in your doors as well. This one also does have your all-weather floor match, which is super handy. And then your passengers get to experience the sunroof as well, as it is full panel. If you want to make this Jeep yours, you can click that link below for pictures and pricing, or you can give us a call, 780-942-3629.